Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight prices are a little bit better. Still, financial markets are struggling with the dollar trade. The dollar's a little bit lower, crude's a little bit lower, and it looks like U.S. stock market's going to open up a little bit higher. Over the grains, beans just up a little bit. I think when we look at all the different moving parts, three things that kind of pop up. Number one, it looks like the Brazil harvest is moving along. Argentina is just starting to harvest. There is some farmers selling going on, and they're starting to load the boats. So that is a normal transition and should offer resistance to the bean market. Number two, here in the United States, U.S. Soybean export basis actually firmed. It firmed quite a bit yesterday. Some people think it's a logistic issues on the Ohio River, but they need to get beans to the Gulf to load the boats that's remaining in this export year. And also there's been a little bit of buying by China just to kind of fill in the gaps if there's any logistic issues in Brazil. And we'll be kind of watching Brazil next week as far as truckers go. And number three is the USDA report on March 31st. The big thing is if they'll find more acres, especially beans, and if they'll find more stocks than the market guesses in beans. Over in the corn, just a couple of things. The corn market is up against key support. We've seen the funds increase their selling, and the commercials are pricing. And we're going into the 2015 spring season with a little bit dry conditions in some of the western areas. So number one is the report going to be bearish to take out support? And number two, after the report, do we start rallying because of the weather premium that we need to put back in the marketplace? Farmers not selling any corn as they go into the planting season. And in the wheat market, we're putting a little weather premium in the market. Prices are right up against some key resistance areas. Southern Plains looks like it's going to remain relatively dry, and so we need some rains down there as the crop comes out of dormancy, where you could see a little bit more weather premium put on the wheat market. Export demand is still slow globally. There's wheat around that's cheaper than U.S., but now wheat's a weather market with the funds with a really big short position in the wheat market. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.
She was at the football game last night.